Next thing I want to show you is the Hindu Shuffle control. Hindu Shuffle is a beautiful maneuver that you can use to take and control the bottom card in the deck. It's another good way to force a card too. To do the Hindu Shuffle, all you need to do is take the deck and hold it between your middle finger and your thumb in your left hand by its edges like this. Your right hand is going to come over and with the middle finger and the thumb strip off the top third of the cards and let it drop into the hand. It's going to come back and it's going to do this motion over and over again. Typically, a magician will ask you to say stop when you want them to stop. What this utility does is allow the magician to know what the bottom card is. In this case, it's the King of Clubs. The spectator typically says stop when they will. The magician shows the bottom card and goes on with the card trick. Now, it doesn't matter where you say stop, they're going to see that bottom card over and over again. This Hindu Shuffle technique can be used to move the bottom card, in this case the King of Clubs, from the bottom of the deck to the top of the deck. So you can move into a card trick that requires you to know what the top card is, like say the pulse trick, for example. Another variant of this is to use the Hindu Shuffle to force the bottom card on a spectator for another trick. All they do is say stop, you show them the bottom card, and you move on. It's a great way to force a card. It looks natural, and it's one of my favorite forces. That's the Hindu Shuffle.